Hi, I'm Missy Pfeiffer and I work at Prairie City Monroe High School. And when I signed up for the Water Rocks Teacher Summit, I had no idea what I was getting myself into and how much I would be learning about water. I have learned so much and I plan to apply it to my classroom. We have a pond and a test ag field above it, and I'm planning to add prairie strips to it and do water quality testing with my students. This is an amazing experience that you don't want to miss out on.
Hi, I'm Jackie Harless, and I teach third grade at St. Ben's in Decorah, Iowa. I just recently, a couple years ago, returned back to teaching. If you get a chance to come to Water Rocks, take it. It's just really exciting and inspiring, and so many hands-on activities. I can just see my kids now, they already love science. So many great ideas. This will make you fall in love with teaching again.
I'm David Brady. I teach high school science at North in Des Moines Public Schools. I've had a really positive experience with Water Rocks. I really appreciated the balance of field experiences, expert presentations, and then just like practical walkthroughs of like lessons. We've gotten to see a lot of different locations in central Iowa. Highly recommend it. The staff here have been phenomenal, friendly, knowledgeable, welcoming. Really, I can't recommend it enough.